Ulala, Jericho kay Janine, parang hindi nagagalit, kaya lalong na-inlove agad sa dalaga. Feeling awkward daw at may hiya factor daw noong una si Jericho Rosales. Naligawan at i-date ang rumored girlfriend niyang si Janine Gutierrez. Ito'y dahil daw sa agwat ng kanilang edad. Ang akala kasi ni Echo ay 24 years old lang si Janine, kaya nagdalawang isip siya na pormahan ang dalaga. May nagsabi raw kasi kay Jericho na 24 pa lang si Janine at dahil 45 na siya, nag-birthday ang aktor kahapon kaya naisip niyang huwag nang ituloy ang plano niyang panliligaw sa aktres. Sa panayam kay Jericho ng news anchor na si Karen Davila na napapanood sa YouTube channel nito. Naikwento nga ng aktor ang tungkol dito at kung ano na ba talaga ang status ng kanilang relationship. Sabi ni Karen kay Echo, "When I heard about it through exclusively dating, I was so happy because I already interviewed Janine and she's just has that beauty, the purity, that innocence, it's just close." Dito na nga naalaala ni Jericho na nag-alangan siyang ligawan si Janine sa pagkaakalang 24 pa lamang ang dalaga. Ayaw naman daw niyang magkajowa ng 20 years ang agwat ng edad sa kanya. I agree with you on that, the purity part. So pure. I thought she was 24. EJ, my makeup artist said that she's 24 and I said, "What? Okay, bye. Alam mo yon? Bye. I'm not dating a 24-year-old girl." I-Google, Google, and found out she's 34. Sabi ko, oh, okay, pwede pala, pwede pa pala. Pahayag ng premyadong aktor. Magkasama ngayon sina Jericho at Janine sa kapamilya primetime series na Lavender Fields, kung saan gumaganap sila bilang mag-asawa na sina Tyrone De Vera at Iris Benavides De Vera. Kwento ni Jericho, hindi lang sa ganda ni Janine siya na-attract, kundi pati na rin sa ugali nito. Mas marami pa raw siyang na-discover sa dalaga mula nang gawin nila ang Lavender Fields. One day I had asked her, "Would you like to do a script reading with me?" I'm sure she has her own version of the story. But why would I ask for a script reading? She's the only person I haven't worked with. She was going to be my work wife, my wife in the show. All of the decisions that my character was going to do in the show was because of the relationship that they have. This is not some easy working relationship. We needed to so I said in my head, oh, coffee, script reading and coffee. Pagbabahagi ni Echo. Patuloy pa niya, I brought my iPad and then we saw each other at a cafe. I brought my iPad out and she started laughing. She was like, "Holy God, you have an iPad?" I said, "Yes. This is a work meeting." To cut the long story short, 6 hours later, we never got to open the iPad. I was like, it ended up with like Japanese food at 3 p.m. and then she went to her Lola Pilita Corrales and that's it. And I was, wow, I can spend like 3 hours talking to this girl. That's when I felt something, pag-amin ni Echo. Sa tanong kung ano-ano ang qualities ni Janine ang nagustuhan ni Echo, she talks calmly. A sweet person who likes almost never upset about anything. She handles herself really well with such humility. She's this type of person that, okay, a no is a no and a yes is a yes. And she knows her decisions and she does it in a very smooth and soft, tender kind of way, anya pa. In fairness, single naman ngayon pareho sina Jericho at Janine kaya walang pwedeng humadlang sa kanilang pagmamahalan. Matagal nang wala sina Janine at Paolo Avellino at ilang taon na ring hiwalay si Echo sa dati niyang asawa na si Kim Jones. Maraming ang katangian si Janine na na-discover ni Echo nung sila ay nag-uumpisa pa lamang na mag-reading ng script. At dito nga ay hindi akalain ng aktor na mahuhulog at makakaramdam kaagad siya ng kakaiba sa napakagaling na actress. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.